If you do a lot of baking or just like to make cupcakes on occasion, having the best hand mixer will make your life much easier. Hand mixers are often a good alternative to stand mixers if you are looking for a more affordable, smaller option. They are great for many different tasks, including whisking, beating, blending, and mixing. Some hand mixers can even perform as well as some stand mixers. They are convenient to use and often easy to clean. If you're short on counter space, are new to baking, or looking for a more budget-friendly choice, they are a great option. How to choose a hand mixer, what you have to consider. There are lots of different hand mixers on the market. Some are only capable of whipping cream, whereas others can be used on the dough. However, most mixers are designed for more light-duty work. When choosing a hand mixer, you will want one that is easy to use and store. If you are looking for one for all your baking needs, you will need a heavy-duty one. However, if you only need one to just whip creams and beat eggs, something light-duty will do just fine. What are the advantages or benefits of this type of product? Having a hand mixer can have many advantages. They are great for beginner bakers or those who don't bake often and don't want to invest a large amount into a stand mixer. Hand mixers are also beneficial for avid bakers, who may need to mix multiple things during one bake. They are great to have around the kitchen no matter how often you bake. They take up less space than a stand mixer and are easy to store. Things to look for are attributes that differentiate these products. Hand mixers can come with different wattage and speeds. If you are looking for something more heavy-duty, you will want one that has more speed options and a powerful motor. Some even come with additional attachments like dough hooks, beaters, and whisks. A good hand mixer will be durable and be easy to clean. They should be easy to use and make mixing ingredients a simple task. Some will even come with handy storage containers to keep them organized, so you don't have to worry about losing parts. What's the best way to use this product? Most hand mixers are meant for more simple recipes like frostings, creams, eggs, and meringues. However, some are capable of mixing cookie dough and even some bread dough. Using different speeds will allow you to control the mixing power. Hand mixers can be used with plastic, metal, or glass bowls. Just be sure that the bowl is large enough for the ingredients so they don't go flying everywhere. Ideally, you want to use a bowl that is at least 3 quarts or larger. Prerequisites to using the product. When using a hand mixer, you want to make sure that your bowl is on a surface where it won't slip around on. A bowl on a slick surface can slide while you are mixing, which can be dangerous. A no-slip mat is a good option for placing your bowl on when you mix. It is always important to read the instructions before use. Since it can be easy to make a mess while using a hand mixer, be sure to be careful while using it. It is a good idea to watch a video tutorial before using a hand mixer so you know you are doing it right. KITCHENAID KHM512ER 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer. This elite hand mixer is capable of mixing delicate egg whites and hearty dough. With 5 different speeds, you can control your mixing capabilities. The easy-to-remove beaters are dishwasher safe for efficient cleaning. The swivel cord can lock in place so you can safely approach the ingredients from different angles. The soft start gradually builds up the speed, so you don't have to worry about splatters. It is a great first-hand mixer to own. Pros. The beaters can easily be removed with the push of a button. It is durable enough for dough with chunky ingredients, like chocolate chips. Features a swivel cord to safely beat at different angles. Cons. Some users find that it does not hold up well with the tough dough. Some find that it is not fast enough. CUISINART HM90 BCS Power Advantage plus 9-speed handheld mixer with storage case. This durable hand mixer is great to have handy in your kitchen. There is a simple on-off button and 9 speeds for maximum control. The first 3 speeds are low start to prevent ingredients from splattering. A storage case is included for convenient keeping, allowing you to stay organized. It even features beaters, dough hooks, whisks, and a spatula. It is great for making cookies, meringues, or even some bread. Pros: 9 speeds, with 3 low speeds to prevent messes. Includes beaters, dough hooks, whisk, spatula, and a storage case for neat keeping. Durable enough for most dough and features a swivel cord for easy use mixing. Cons: it can be loud. Some users find the storage case does not stay on well. Breville BHM 800 Silas BHM 800 Sil Handy Mix Scraper Hand Mixer. With an ergonomic handle, this sturdy mixer sits comfortably in your hand while you use it. 9 speeds are featured for optimal mixing power. A mixing light is even featured so you can easily view what you are making. Beaters, dough hooks, and whisks are all included, so you can make anything from whipped cream to banana bread. The beaters even have a rubber covering to prevent clanging and clinging when using. All this can be stored in a handy detachable storage department. Pros: 9 speeds for ideal mixing power, with a quiet motor and timer. Beaters, dough hooks, and whisks are included, with the beaters having a rubber cover. A detachable storage case allows for easy keeping. Cons: some find the rubber covers on the beaters to wear over time, with small pieces coming off. Some users find that it splatters easily. KITCHENAID KHM 926OB 9-speed digital hand mixer with turbo beater, 2 accessories and pro whisk. Whether making chocolate chip cookies, creaming butter, or mixing bread dough, this powerful mixer can do it all. With 9 speeds, you have control over everything you mix. The soft grip handle provides a comfortable hold that is great for making meringues, which can take several minutes. The cord can easily be locked into place so you can mix from different angles. Whisks, dough hooks, and a blending rod are featured along with a storage bag. The beaters can be ejected by the push of a button for ease of use. Pros: 9 speeds are included for powerful mixing with a soft start featured to prevent splattering. The cord can be locked in place so you can safely mix from different directions. Whisks, dough hooks, and a blending rod are included with a storage bag. Cons: some users find the buttons a bit awkward to use. It is a bit on the heavy side. BRAUN HM 5100 MULTIMIX Hand Mixer. This powerful yet efficient hand mixer is great for just about any of your baking needs. The unique Smart Mix technology shifts the weight of the mixer into the bowl and out of your hand for ease of use when mixing. The Vario Control speed dial allows you to conveniently change the speed while you work. Whisks and beaters are included along with a storage bag. With just a touch of a button, you can easily change attachments. The ergonomic design makes mixing comfortable and hassle-free. Pros: powerful with Smart Mix technology that redistributes the weight out of your hands when you mix. The whisk and beaters are dishwasher safe, allowing for quick cleanup. With just one hand, you can control the Vario Control speed dial. Cons: it can be loud. Some users find it to be heavy. With its heavy-duty mixing power and comfortable-to-use design, the KITCHENAID KHM 926OB 9-speed digital hand mixer comes in as the champion of hand mixers. Thanks to the soft start feature, you don't have to worry about splattering occurring at any of the 9 speeds. Unlike the BRAUN and CUISINART models, it is not loud while in use. The soft grip handle allows you to comfortably hold it no matter what you are mixing. It can mix cookies, cakes, creams, meringues, and even some bread dough. The cord can lock in place so you can safely mix from any direction. Complete with whisks and dough hooks, it also features a unique beating rod that stands out from its competitors. The beaters can be easily ejected, so you can change out the attachments with no hassle. With a storage bag included, you can keep your mixer secure and clean. Whether you are new to baking, only bake on occasion, or are an avid baker, this is the best hand mixer for you. It is the perfect addition to any kitchen, whether big or small. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.